Mumora mi wena, mumora mi wena, mumora mi wena, mumora.
You make me float, you really give me. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi bestie, welcome to Dee World. And to my regulars, my besties, welcome back to yet another vlog. I'm going to school and there's just a few things that I need to do at school, and then I'm gonna go to class. As usual, my class is at 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna come back very late. So I'm taking you guys with me today, guys. Today's weather, in the morning it was so cold, it was even raining, like it was raining, and now the sun is coming out, but I'm not sure if there's like a cold wind, if it's windy a bit. So I wore this jacket which I got from Shein. I just took pictures, guys. If you see any pictures relating to Shein, please do engage. This is like the 100th time I'm saying this.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
I forgot yesterday that I was vlogging. Imagine, like, I did vlog, but I got distracted a bit because obviously I was in class and we were talking about serious things. So we were talking about very important stuff that I forgot to vlog. I'm really sorry about that. Plus I was so tired. Even when I came back from school, like, I was so tired. I'm still tired even now. Skolo yo. So I just woke up, I brushed my teeth and I washed my face, and now I want to go make some breakfast. I'm craving for pancakes but I do not have honey. I don't have honey. I also like my pancakes with strawberries, blueberries, but I don't have that. So I'm just gonna make plain pancakes with eggs and bacon. Okay, I'm just gonna make pancakes, bacon and eggs, and maybe some iced coffee. I haven't had that in a while. Yeah guys, so come make breakfast with me. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, I feel like sleeping again, but I can't do that. I have an assignment, a video assignment, and I also have to start studying. I'm writing next week Tuesday. I wanted to go home this weekend, but my mom is complaining. My mom is complaining that I'm always at home, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, when I need a break, when I need to breathe and just forget about school, I go home. But yeah, I'm not gonna go home this weekend, but I think my dad is gonna come to the side at least. Again today, and I need to go to PK. I don't know the venue. Actually, I don't know the venue. The venue is Dee World, but I don't know where it's located. So I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me to. Now it's me asking you. Now, I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Now, baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now, I've been waiting, think I'm gonna make that move. Now, baby, tell me how you like it. I don't want nothing. I don't want nothing. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be like. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body release one polite. Don't be in a humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to look tonight. Posing who can step the right. I just wanna live in a fantasy.
Hi guys, today's a Sunday and I had a little bit of a Sunday reset. I cleaned my room. The only thing that I did not do is my laundry, because guys, doing laundry here, it's a mission. Okay, and today I have to shoot for a school assignment. We have to do a video, has to do with research and stuff, blah blah blah. So yeah, I think I'll do my laundry during the week. I don't know when, but I'm writing on Tuesday. So I'm having ribs and fries for breakfast. Skanjajang, please. Skanjajang. Okay, I was craving for ribs and I'm lazy to cook, honestly. So this is what I'm having. And it's not really early in the morning. It's like 11:30. So yeah, guys, I am gonna end off the vlog here. I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye.